Hey everyone, it's Toronto Ty here, back in the parking lot at Canada's Wonderland to see how everything's going with this new exit, which is definitely what it is. New exit for the parking lot, exit to Jane Street South, exit to Jane Street North, and it is currently blocked off. I'm assuming because they're wanting to only use this during fireworks nights. Or maybe they just want to, you know, not start using it until tomorrow. And that was a goose here. Silly goose. Alright, I'm not sure why I didn't think of this before, but standing here just next to Leviathan, this is how I'm able to actually see all the new structures in Courtyard. So, yeah, this is what they look like. They look really nice. All wooden, all matching the Canadian theme. Park's been going for sugar maple. Okay, so because of the newly laid sod, I was told to stay off of the entire hill between Vortex and Windseeker. So we're just gonna check out the tunnel from here. And hopefully, by tomorrow they'll be okay with people going on the grass, considering that's where everybody goes for the fireworks. And following that, and yeah, so from here then you can definitely see that amazing rock work that's going on right next to the water's edge, in between the footers. Alright, so just over here next to the Coca-Cola Oasis place, along the pathway up to Splashworks and Mindbuster. And yep, they've started laying down the paving stones for the new pathway. Again, much closer to the stream here, to the river. And yeah, looks like they've made some excellent progress on moving that through there. But there are footers on either side of that pathway. So, yeah, I'm really not sure how much construction they're going to be able to do during the season. But, I mean, they've got footers all over the place. All right next to Splashworks and right next to the lake. So the new Splashworks pathway is coming along. Lots of paving stones there, and just up on the grass there you can see rebar and footers in the background. Alright, so just right here next to the Mindbuster exit, yeah, you can see that they've put up a fence right next to Splash Station. It's actually a wooden fence, which is nicer than the old black metal one that's still partly there. And that actually makes me wonder, why didn't they just put up a proper fence here, since this isn't going to be the entrance pathway for Splashworks anymore? It seems weird that they'd still have this temporary fence when they're building a new pathway. Alright, so looking back across over toward Vortex from the Windseeker exit, you can see all that newly laid sod, which looks much better than the dirt that was there at the beginning of the season, of course. And across over there, you can see the new structure, presumed to be for the lockers. And over here, you can see another new structure, as I mentioned last week, and that's coming along quite well. And then the rock work along the water's edge here, and right next to this footer. It's fantastic. I mean, we are actually going to be walking between these footers right here. At least that's what it seems like. I mean, that's where they're putting the new pathway. The pathway is all fitting in. Right there. So next week should be a lot of fun to come along and walk through there and see, you know, how are they going to block this off? what kind of fence, because I'm sure there will be some kind of fence. And yeah. Alright, so just over here along the Timberwolf Falls exit ramp, the difference in color between the sod and the grass really helps that to stand out, so you can really tell just how much of that land they had to tear up during all the construction. And now it's all put back together. No footers in sight on this side. I doubt that there are going to be any footers or any coaster elements over on this hill. I think that they really just want to keep that hill for fireworks. So I went up the entire Timberwolf Falls pathway, the exit ramp. Tried to see if I could see anything in the center there, but no, I couldn't see anything. So if there are footers or whatever people were talking about, at the very least, I can't see them. Alright, well here we are on the Whitewater Canyon path, now that Whitewater Canyon is finally open. And this is the new Action Theater entrance. Yeah, I mean they took out so much queue, and that is so much land here. Just a massive plot of land. I'm as excited as I am to see what they're doing with the new coaster with the underwater tunnel. I'm also very excited to see what they're gonna do with this whole patch of land. Alright, so up here right next to Whitewater Canyon, where the waterfall normally is, but it is not operational at the moment. Just looking back this way, you can see the new structure behind Action Theater. Yeah, I don't know. I saw some people saying that it was a new storage for Winterfest, because perhaps we're getting Winterfest soon. So yeah, we'll see what happens. But that's the new structure. All right, I walked all the way up the Whitewater Canyon queue to see if I could see anything from the backside of Splashworks, and I mean, you can see some construction there. There's nothing in the forest in terms of footers or anything like that, but yeah. Hey, well, just up here by Canyon Trader, looking down the pathway, you can see that new Splashworks structure. And that's about it. Yeah, I went through the entire Whitewater Canyon queue. Tried to get as many views as I could from around the other side, the Mindbuster side of the pathway. Yeah, maybe I'll be able to, well, I'll definitely be able to have a better update for you guys next week. And I may even have an update from Monday. We'll see. So until then, guys, have a good one. Thanks so much for watching. Be sure to comment down below for anything that you'd like me to cover in the next video. Subscribe and hit that notification bell so that you get notified every time I post new videos.